In this video we're going to be installing Ubuntu, and I'm going to be showing you how to install Ubuntu and also how to when you install, how to use Ubuntu, and also how to set it up. So we're going to install and set up Ubuntu in this video. Anyway, let's start. So the first thing you'll get is the screen, so just press try or install Ubuntu. Then you can see it will start loading, and soon we will get a screen. As you can see, we'll now get a screen soon. And we now have this bar, which is weird. Oh, there we go. There's our mouse, and it seems like our resolution is not set up, which is we can't zoom out actually. So. By the way, if you're wondering, this is the latest release of Ubuntu. So in this screen, when you come to this screen, you will click Install Ubuntu, and actually, then you can just click on English, and then if you want to test out the keyboard, you can just type, and it will show text, and it should show that. If you're using this for a server, I'll just recommend use the minimal installation. I'll use the minimal installation since you don't need many games and office software and whatever. Also, unfortunately, we'll not be able to change the screen resolution, so we're gonna have to stick with this. Yeah, sorry. Okay, when you get to this screen, you must click erase disk and install Ubuntu. Now we'll not be installing it with Windows, so we'll just install Ubuntu. So we'll just click erase disk and install Ubuntu, and click install now. Then it will ask you this message. Then if in this message you just click continue. Then Ubuntu will start installing, and hopefully we'll be able. Okay, it will ask you for a location. So here I'll have to blur this out. You can select your own location whenever you want to. So here you just set your location and click on continue. So in your name and computer's name, you can just type in, here's my username, and you will need a password, so set that up. Well, let's just set that up quickly. Okay, so let's have this little short pin, and let's see. Okay, yes, this is okay, and then just continue. You can even continue, and now it will start install. And we cannot click anything actually now. Let's see, can we figure out some way to? Nope, there's no desktop, so unfortunately we cannot change the resolution. Anyway, so now you'll get this screen where you'll just have copying files, and then you can just click on this arrow to show you the log, and unfortunately you cannot see this log. So let's just scroll down, and it just shows you some things in here, and this will just keep on scrolling. Anyway, I'll skip this part since this will take quite a while to do. So as you can see, I'm not sure if it's fairly quick, but anyway, I will skip this part since I know it will take quite long. So I'll see you once this is done. Okay, I managed to fix the scaling issues, so now you can see the full screen. Just showing you that I've done it. And here you can't do anything actually. The desktop is blanked out, and in here you can just see some settings. You don't need these. Anyway, like I said, I'll be back once this is finished. So all of the file is finished copying, and now you get this screen. So now it just says installation complete. Now you need to restart the computer, so now you can just click this button, and now the computer will restart, and you get a red screen. And if you've been watching carefully, you can see that the cursor speed is actually quite strange. Sometimes it blinks quickly, other times it blinks slowly, and it's changing. So you get a red screen, but nothing is happening, which is very suspicious. I have to reset the machines. Yep, nothing's happening. I'm gonna reset it. There we go, it is now reset, and we now see this message. But we haven't booted up yet because nothing's happened. As you just saw, it got a weird screen, and now soon we'll get the mouse. There we go. So now you can type in your password, and if this decides that it wants to work, it will work. Then you get these weird screens, which I don't know why they actually happen. I'm really not sure why. Then you get to enter the desktop. So then here you can either choose something, except that I won't choose anything. I won't send any system info. Then just click next, and then click next, and now you just click done. And now we're in Ubuntu. Now, and this is just the setup. So this is how you can set up Ubuntu by yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the end, and goodbye.